All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. What an amazing, just incredible day. You are here with the special ed vocabulary teacher. That's right, Dr. B here. We are working on words that you and I are going to learn together. Yesterday, I gave you the word sycophant. And I said there was a word that was in sycophant that was explaining the definition was obsequiously. That's what the word is. I don't know how to say it right. I'm trying my best. I listen to it, say it over, the computer say it over. Well, what's kind of crazy is I'm looking at Merriam-Webster. I don't know what Merriam-Webster's thinking. I guess he's the man who made all these words, made the diction. And every time I try to read one of these definitions, it has another word I don't know. So here we go. The meaning of obsequious is marked by an exhibiting or fawning alternatives. I don't know what that means. I don't know what exhibiting a fawning alternative is. So tomorrow we will do fawning as our word. But for right now, I understand that obsequiously or obsequious is a person who's more likely to be a follower. So for following that trend from yesterday, sycophant is a follower because they're obsequious. All right, you guys have an awesome day. I can't wait to talk to you tomorrow with the new word, which will be fawning. Talk to you soon.